Hi everyone, on the higher time frame, the bullish scenario is that this is an ABC that is still unfinished as price didn't yet hit the common wave C target and also didn't hit the rare wave C target, which then more locally means that we're very likely to be in a wave 4 over here, which then also means that the highest probability in a wave 4 is an expanded flat, which then is an ABC before then finding more upside in the final wave 5. The invalidation is taking the lows at about 20.3k as wave 4 tends not to go below the 0.5 Fibonacci that is pulled from the low of 2 to the high of 3. The bearish scenario on the higher time frame is that wave C is already finished, this impulse is basically finished and we're going to move further to the downside. The invalidation is that we take the highs at 25.2k. Now I have two bullish scenarios on the medium time frame and one bearish scenario that I like to show you. The first bullish scenario is that this is the high of 3, right? And then we have a WXY in the first part of the green wave 4. So this then is a W zigzag XY followed by a 3-wave move to the upside to go for the expanded flat B before then a move down for C, finishing 4 and then going up to the upside for wave 5. The second bullish scenario on the medium time frame is that this is a WXY XZ that is going to be finishing A before then a move for B, expanded flat, down for C, take the lows over here, finish wave 4 and then move up for wave 5. Now the invalidation of this scenario is taking these lows before we take these highs. And that is the same with the first scenario, or actually quite similar to the first scenario, but there the invalidation is a little bit higher because if this is the end of wave Y in this WXY, then we don't want to see price going below 22.7k in this scenario. The bearish scenario, however, is that if wave C and the bigger wave B are indeed finished with some sort of an ending diagonal, which was then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one could say that we're in some sort of 1, 2, 1, 2 and then expect much lower prices still to come. So that is a double 1, 2, 1, 2 and then eventually more downside to come. The bullish scenario on the lower time frame is the following, that on the lower time frame for a bullish scenario, I'm looking for this to be a, let's put the target boxes on, to be a, B, and then some sort of a C, or this can be a WXY, which then lead to more upside and at least of course taking the highs of this wave B. And then we also have, you can see it, wave C here at the top. So if this is an ABC, then one of the targets for a wave C is the 1.618, which also has nice confluence with the target box that I have over here. So that is why I have wave C so far up there. But we have to see if we would reach that. But this is of course the bullish scenario where this is a 3-wave structure followed by an ABC 3-wave structure, which then means we are going to find more upside and at least take these highs again and see how far we can go up. The 1-to-1 is a target as well at about 24.1k, and then we have the 1.618 and 24.7k. The bearish scenario on the lower time frame, however, is as just mentioned, we're in a 1, 2, 1, 2 to the downside then 1, 2, 1, 2, where I still believe that if this is indeed a wave 2, it's most likely not yet finished, as this can be most likely classified as an ABC followed by an expanded flat ABC, which means it's a 3, 3, and then we need some sort of either a wave 5 or another 3 to the upside, which would then finish wave 2. Very likely target is the 1-to-1, and if wave 2 then is finished, we would then expect a move to the downside and at least take these lows over here. Now the invalidation of this bearish scenario is taking the highs here at 24.5k, and the invalidation of the bullish scenario is taking the lows here at 22.7k. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. At 1 p.m. today CET, Central East European Time, I will post another update video for you on the Bitcoin charts. I hope to see you then. Bye bye.